What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Okay, so my name is Anamreku, aka and I'm made in China, and I am the bougie king here in Ghana. Ghana, how do you say you see? That's a me bougie. Menti hunchrewa, baby, I won't see a piano. Now, an alcoholistic movement. Go say, yawa. Or some say minister, minister, now we honor and so on. Girl near friend of Fansana na and about you. Sika about music industry, mobile idea, and this cast one. JW Ventures, and so at some boys say we are bar, over so Elbaso Kakra, what so amem, or Tono, who's a jeans at a year, who Pia on to mean slave, JW Ventures Libiaba, almost bat lotion, 100% organic and herbal, who was in the air or so, I'm out to know, I put Jackakra, Sanso, and a member to a sabe, Mumano, Ada, or my Yankeswa, or my said Joseph Singo, or my said. Ayi poponi aki omo yese yaudabo omo yese oba omo fili helba omu akosua nwenu ne harama ye de masabe obema ejina so na ye tonti na timi jina mu na wo wie a wo dance mu say yes, you are on the right track. JW Ventures number egu screen as well. Obetimi from Wajira FM. Samsung and afrobasket.com, and so add some groceries, almost on Milo, Nido, cornflakes, perfume, liquor, and Yoma Obetimi di. You are buy time there with Pampers, wipes, and Yoma Nina, Ewomutie Dubra. You are about Tampadia, you are about and also to be a ma perfume, a ma gel, a man cool, a ma trunioma, a man nails, a man taria, Bema then so on to be as what say a thing needed for men, and so a woman, meaning now afrobasket.com. I'll bet my login on. Why do that? Number a good screen to our fra on the deliver at our doorstep. It is Siano, so your birthday. And now, package hamper, amobi, engagement, wedding, gifts, advertobia, menkobia, afrobasket.com got you covered with all the groceries in one pack. Otwa, where we package, no packaging. And I say, ya diablo fee, the cochobia, airfare, wow, you swa, air condo ye. And ya go straight into Abaywa, Nana Ama Mac Brown, the birthday, and it's any would do no. Emani ye fe would di baby the many year a kono ye na enedie na Ama Brown edi a year in fear dia 9 years sa 43 years of age na ne birthday no wa train senia wodi na oni how na ebo gbojo yo mu ye bi we tiri ha na se na hono mu aso no enya yiketwa, but I hope to aso. Okay, it's Mac Brown birthday out in the nay. What's on the boissy, and now I got to say a year 3 veteran actors and Yoma Kama. Welcome some gifts and then some money. Mac Brown to the boissy called Grace Omabo, a mammy docuno, and a first on you senior, mammy a veteran actor on you senior check, and I'm saying I crown and Mac Brown soon in the year. And some new movie to see a pa. I am the crown po me yeah, and home a reenactment. I made it to YouTube. With my video no up here in the I don't know if you know. So Mac Brown echo the fee echo mano $2,000 and I also share my gifts. And now I can't say about how Grace Omabo has been a bedrock to her in this industry in the career move. Now I feel like it was very beautiful and amazing how Mac Brown went there to give all the gifts and all that. The only thing they said now, and how people were thinking, say, I didn't know all man is car on camera and showing everything for people to see. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, say, I don't know. I mean, as I go for Bisa. But Mac Brown, at 43 years of age, he did not show so I was happy birthday. Ye pa dear de. Na yanko share and your ma on ne a year Auntie Grace Omabo e kan ya omudi hu kita hu ye wia ni atwa show ne so.
Never more than 10.
I represent, and it is by the grace of God. Intino me frɛ wo na mka to say me birthday me pehwe Omo mama de om de be mama na me mfa me emba. Na me mfa nya dance die enkyere o say. Tasty Tom. Tomato mix high sense ne de akeka wo nyina ya de a. Na ma represent. Na mu nyina mo kam. Nti mama, ana me birthday, me pese me ne mudi.
Fe. Sa ena ko wie pe yo a. Osanso yi scan yi ma na $2,000 cash. The brony can have feelings is a cash. Scare more there, no more come, no muti, you know, scar. We only say parent shot, not a chow and son, a few ho. Now we are now so one, or not to the boy say call Madam Grace not say, and Sophia are not your veteran actress Libya, or no Mark Brown tra. First, I know your costumianum, or no Anna or Styling Grace Naughty, or in the first veteran actor on any year Juma, now Grace Naughty, catcher Mark Brown said, Mark Brown to the boys known for humility quenum, and for Antonio who's webia. Now on Conanim, young heard the only Grace Naughty, and so a car here could see ye, ye bar, and yet wasn't so amau, the fair.
Chakaliki. Also good. Me yankasa yanche de nti anami di mawoda me ne mabusua enyina ahia se yanko ba bia ye beba besram titiri wo una odikan mama me sha ase se me ye me industry ani sini adwuman wo ye panyina me di kan hye watade sini me ye me hye watade panyina me hye watade na wo kan sem bi kire me wo ka tan se na na ma koso ana bra ho ase na nyame di obedru echi Frisadan me hye as a role model obia woni sinto nanso de na ewo mu no anyame de dia no nti Ghana fo ye nyina ye nimu no mi de manisi so say awrade nhira me na mete se wo nti na ye ma wudai minim se me ba ha me ba ko alright but then nem pese enam se minim se me fa din Grace wo adi si mani so no awrade amasa adomo no Grace no be pray manya be pray aba me so na me didi say nhira no amesre free wo no nyina aka on awrade ama medru me baya anya bone mama TV, fridge, biscuit, toilet tissues, and more washing powder, clean soft care tissues, clean soft washing powder, royal drinks, tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix, awake purified drinking water. And I think that budget count, man. You refi, me the baba, mama, fetch me. Now. Any my dear me can say yanjini obia de chem name we am dear sika we me di so seed wo abrabom otia se ne pa bebre wo mu o se me nya bia aka no ansa na awrade be ma asase foforo wi asase foforo minim se nyini ya kyede wo awrade de akyew munya nko sese na wama sebe yenyina etia se we $2,000 Misha. Fadidi. Ni enyantra. Empesa na kono bibeka saibia na na oboa. Eni. Acho. Me nyanka enhwe camera because me pe film. Nemo me pese obi hwa. Ohun sese wo botaye bia na wo di nipa bi si wani so. Nyesa odi so na wo work it to what it be yeju. Ni shira ready dey share me $2,000. Mama. You see, Grandma? Hey, my lady.
Amazing times, beautiful. Now, when we are so wow, or also call a year Uncle Emmanuel Ama, okay, we are first no movie on their girlfriends assault one in puna trinkets and kets or you go on one puna bear 14 which papa on the see and so ya tell on your stroke ya rear and also air battle with it but see idea I'm sure he's fine now Mac Brown e call no to fear a man a scapole pole a pim $1,000 sir or madam Grace or mabu a pim dollars sika apim yenu or my Grace no then so dollars sika apim yenu or so ne boa say emma eye imano amanso apim bako and the other one who said $5,000 out there so see e wo mo abrabo mu fefe na nsem no go wie pay you no ya see the original show we so I will see Mac Brown a happy birthday year dear 43 years and sexy 43 years and still graceful and healthy Mac Brown IRJP na Mac Brown any Nikunu Mr. Maxwell any ba baby magazine and omoko any UTV gang ni bebre na omoko ye man ye fe e the nyoma from the sponsors so I feel like a very nice and very beautiful way of serving your birthday na day any Mac Brown kwana edi birthday Madam Becca Africa Rebecca Champon on so edi birthday na Endra 14th August 2020 no Rebecca and so called Liberty Hospital or called Saudi Hospital or called Cape Coast Hospital or called hospitals be ye can be ye Duasamiensa. I got to tell me nyoma my minute shra on so a time in her life and not who are no time and not a ward or no maternity ward not all no not a doctor for into a true now more share the insane the banner had to rate the economy by Waba Ghana no well who says Sanyoma ne bini Ghana Hanum says Ghana Hanum say no say we a poor maternal mother and now I'm poor you don't get that ability to be sinquilitified untuminya sinquilita bougie it's in the back and so it's in the boys called different hospitals here in Ghana and my monitors or my amplifiers or my CUV and your man I pay for a show mano and my money were young grandpa you be from glass I said a baby as I said Oko this new one more near the sugar more scientific cuckoo or water doctor for almost some officer on Beckham Colano what everything is going on a back and so and I want to say and also a corner a fair now I'm happy how they are celebrating a birthday but young Connor heard the Becca about how she was feeling when she was giving birth and then how she's going to do this for the people here in Ghana.
So today is an amazing day for me. Tomorrow is my birthday, and in view of that, I decided to come around to donate a few things to Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Last year, during my visit to America when I wanted to have a baby, I realized that in the labor ward, there was no nurses there. However, they could monitor everything that the child was going through, my daughter's heart rate and everything. And so during conversation with the doctor that actually delivered my baby, I asked what he was using, and he mentioned that it was something called the CTG scans that he used, which are also called the fetal monitors. And so conversation went on and on and on, and last year he came to Ghana personally. We met with the CEO of Kolebu, Daniel Asari, and we went round to all the wards to see what they needed. And it came out that we needed fetal monitors, pulse oximeters, and patient monitors, as well as ventilators for premature babies. And so today we are here to donate all these items. It's not just coming to Kolebu, it's going to so many hospitals. There's the whole hospital, there's Cape Coast, there's Ridge, there's Kolebu here as well. There's Takoradi, there's a lot of places. Even in my hometown, we're about to take some day to Trede and Goma Kwama. So we're here because we believe that every parent and every child deserves to live. And with the fetal monitors, you were able to check the child's heart rate throughout all pregnancy, so they do not have to move one monitor to another mother during labor. It's important that every parent is monitored, every mother is monitored. Usually this kind of machine is given to high-risk mothers, but I wasn't a high-risk mother when I was using the monitor, and so
amazing Becca African student so aguhobra now and next year 15th August he I say 14th August a branch here Joe the Metal I'm Bononi bullshit no trouble no Jometo ana ye trust on Belamundi e champion mu on now to Belamundi there abaye why say we ear why say do people jo is here only Jometo it's better when are you getting married?
I think that Bishop, there's a bit of a challenge. I'm not sure if I can hear you.
You're lying.
But we're going to get back to you shortly, please.
Yay, Bella. Hey. Yeah, Becca Little Bulldog. Anyway, Joe Metzel ends up to the Boasia on 15th August. What tied and not a fair. Now, Joe Metzel up to the Boasia open number 9, Benny, Falamakafu Busiani, Salasi Dazi, no, not tied not a fair. Now, engagements, you know, what the moon said, they are calling the but moons are doing one femu, nice, beautiful girls, and I'm here bridesmaids, no, and my Joe Metzel. Now, send me and go for a car, I'm in Dantani said, yes, girl way, I don't know your bridesmaid of their bride. Engagement national. What should I tell you? I hear pretty nufu. And you are one side. Oh, I said, I'm calling for market. I had no say. I mentioned so no. In the market, you know. But I pick people like. I said, you know. I said like, let's give them. Let's show them. Let's get into it. And mammy, as soon as Boasia she and four a good union. Never more on social media, not on the same army way dear or free here. Now, how? So, but Joe Metzel, a whole gospel minister, the word na say, no, what so Boasia people who are a good Muslim, mammy, so dear, or try a better breastina for forcing, or not to buy a surgeon, marketing strategic crack, or not to get on him where your shine shall shine. Only maybe I was shine with my shining. It is a year at least. So I saw so get, you know, breasting. So I said, booty on the breast. Because, and I mean, there's a Ghana had there is that thing you guys you don't even want to have something negative to talk about. Because I a gospel musician in Tia, you know, or beat me even Nufu. And I see Nufu even so I testimony in church. And I really more kind of say, Munja, you messing on worry. Ho. Yeah, sorry, Swa. Now, I can say, Pinamine Cosmetics skincare brand. Adamon here. You were your face soap, your face cream, you were your face exfoliating shower. Shower gel, I want to go anti-aging. Now, my honam AFA. Say, you were your black cologne, your perfume, as you see, I bet just will be a use one. And my own ye. It's in a Pinamine Cosmetics America was say, I was so used to, and my skin, AFA, a plan money at them. So, and I did at the Obumpa. Ota free Japateku, then I'm Roku, AK is an made in China, AK is another there, AK is another man can Bianca. Mekao say God day with day out with no, I beg guess what, it be the most say, Unshabia, Jewo DNS and your fair. Sound shades now was an AFR, not a free. I should say, new one. I want to see a shop. I have 21 fair far. Who bet me a Toby. Now I'm our home. I have fair ye. So the din year rates from China. Con say. See, call it, say you don't know in call it, since you did, call it,